Hello and welcome back to County 25. Today we have my second order from the one with the diamond painting. I decided after I got the other one I wanted some more, but more color, or yeah, some more that I can do. They have plenty of options, and I really love how the diamond painting are, and they are not so expensive, so I decided that I want some more. Let's see, they came in this white box. They were plastic, like gray plastic around it, but I took it out. So they love to put both of the painting. I did order one round and one square painting with AB, so you can see the one with the diamond painting, diamond art, sorry. So they did put two in here. You can see there are two kits. So we're gonna look at the first one. Whoa, I get something different this time. Oh, nice. I did get this one. Very, very nice. Super excited for that one. This one was kind of cool. Is it one or two? This is like a bookmark, I believe. Cool. With some crystal diamond painting and a pumpkin kit. That was very nice surprise. I get two toolkit. Here is their card from the owner. It's a small business, so they are building up something. So this is their Facebook site, so if you are kind of not sure if you want to buy, you can go in and see, because they do some custom painting as well if you want a custom. So that's very nice. So nice surprise. And then you get this toolkit, tweezers, some wax, and a pen, and and some washi tape. Very nice. I get two because I had two paintings, and a blue washi tape with some diamonds. No, yeah, boxes of diamonds. So that's very nice. So yeah, I did order one round and one square. Wow, this is big. Oh my god, this is heavy, and lots of blue diamonds. We're gonna look in a second which one, but this one is the first one. And I really want a little bit smaller in a round painting, because I did order one big painting as the big one behind, and I do have one a little bit smaller in squares and one in round. No, I did get one. Okay, I just wanted some more, but this one is the first I want to do from them, so I decided I want to do this first in round. I'm gonna try it out, and I think it's super cute. There are 50 colors, and I got 1, 2, 3 maybe, it looks like. I'm not sure. It's pink and green and purple, because I order with some AB. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, there are 3 AB. You can see 1, 2, and well, what is number 3? Okay, it's a pink one down here. So you can see how many nice paint color there are. So this is gonna be very, very cute. And I love the drills. The drills are very fine, and the diamonds, they are, the AB is kind of like the same you get from Dreamer Design, and they come pre-bagged, so that's very nice. If you don't want to kit up, you can just go from here. On the back it's only the AB number. No, AB, sorry, the oh, what is it called again? Okay, the color number is on the back. Let's see. Sorry. So this is let's see. Can I open this one? I can open it. I don't remember what this is called. No name. There's no name on this painting. I do believe it should be a name. Okay, we're gonna open. No, the name doesn't say here. I did see it on the other one. But the name, I am gonna put the name in the, so you can see which one this is. But it's a fox, very nice fox. So I'm not gonna open that one because it's probably gonna be all over the place, and they packed it very nice. And yeah, I'm super excited to try it out and see how it is. The number are very nice, the symbol looks good. They have a legend on this side and the other side with some painting, a picture of the painting. And it's super sticky. The plastic is very thin. This is pour glue, but they take the glue a little bit outside the area, so I recommend to use like washi tape around it. And the background is soft like other canvases I have been through, so that's very nice. It should be like velvet or something like that. And yeah, so this is one of the light painting I did order from them, and it's a beautiful fox. And yeah, it's a little bit big, but not quite that big. It's 50 by 60, so it should go quite fast since it's round painting. And the symbol looks good. You can see here, you can see the signs, how the rendering are. So I'm super excited to try this one. So when I'm done with the other painting, I am gonna try them out. I want to try them out because they have very nice paintings. The other one I did order, I was super excited about this one. This one I choose for square, and yeah, it looks kind of busy here in the front, so that's nice. And it's gonna be plenty of blue colors. I really love this one. And you can see how big this dragon are. We have flowers down here, and yeah, maybe here Whistler of the Night, Feria. So I love Feria. I know the other one is also Feria. Let's see if I can find it. No, this one doesn't have that one. I don't know why, but they used to have this one, and when it says this is square and which size, and it's AB, so I don't know why this one right here say what the name are, but the other one didn't have this. So we have 43 colors. We have, oh god, 1, 2, 3, 4 AB in this painting. I just thought it was like 3. So we're gonna find out where the AB are. Oh, sorry, I forgot it on the other one. I can show some of them in this painting then. I can see some star or X's down here in the dragon head, some down here, some around here, and in this area. We also have some like N and G, some down here, all over the eye down here. We also got some E. Let's see. There are more. There are like 3 down here in the eye part. There are not plenty of the E, I can see. So that's very nice. And the other one, the last one is A. We have some AB down here, in the eye, some here, some down here, and some down here in the flower. But that's very nice. So I did see this one and I was, oh my god, I just have to have this one. And there are 4 AB. It's light blue, white, dark blue, and a purple one. And look at this beautiful color pattern. But this one is square, so it's gonna be quite a lot of dark blue, purple colors. And this is heavy, very heavy. So all of them are almost big bag. There is strangler, but there are some small bags in here, behind here. You can see them just around here. But otherwise, it's gonna be quite a lot of big bags right here. This one, I believe, is a small bag or something. So yes, super excited to try this kind of dragon thing animal. I don't know quite what it's supposed to be. I think it's kind of cute and lots of blue, and I'm really excited to try them out. So probably, since this one is not quite a lot of colors, since it's only 43, maybe I'm gonna try this is in a square, or maybe the other one I do have. I'm not sure because they are big. And the drill area, you see it more clear here. It's from China, so it's not bad to be China, and it's pour glue, luckily, and the drill are very nice. And the one thing I wish they have was probably the stickers. That's all. So if they have the sticker, it would be very nice, because you don't have to cut them out, or you don't have to follow the yeah. I'm gonna try probably to work out of the bags and not from the to kitting this up. I don't know. I'm gonna look when I'm getting that far. This fox I'm gonna do first, and then I'm gonna review it for you afterward, so you can see how the completion of the painting and how I thought it was working on it. And since it's progress, it should not be any problem with the glue. But yeah, sometimes we have a problem with every diamond painting we are working it. but I have not yet have a pot glue problem that I can see. So yes, this is all for me today from the one with diamond art. And I'm gonna link everything below if you wanna look their site up. I'm super excited to find something new, and they have plenty of licensed artwork and people probably new. They have some Jasmine, they have some Josephine Wall, Fairy, and plenty of more. They did have Shana Pikes, but I did take that away, so I hope they come back. I don't know. But yeah, that's all for me, and I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!